Good morning, everyone. I'm Johnny Min. I much welcome the opportunity to address this group and kick off this Minitab exchange event. It is great to be joining you today. I'm working in Hong Kong APEC office. I'm looking after South Korea and Taiwan. So let me share with you what we are doing right now and our product roadmap in the next 10 to 15 minutes. It is great to be here today in Taiwan. First, I want to take this opportunity to thank Scientific Formosa for hosting this Minitab exchange event for their continuous effort. Most of these resellers and Scientific Formosa has been in the market for numerous years, over 20 years for Scientific Formosa, so they are truly understanding the industry requirements. Apart from the presence in Taiwan, Minitab is truly a global company with global presence. Not only do we have over 1 million users around the globe, but we invested in a sales and service infrastructure to support our customers wherever they are. 99% of companies recognize that they need to use their data. So all companies, most of the companies, they need the data. And 97%, they face challenges in using it effectively. 91% of CDOs, data officers, cite culture as the biggest challenge. So that means that all of you, maybe, and the companies, they require data literacy, but the problem is most of them face a problem and challenge, and most of them, even the leader of data officers, they have biggest challenge and culture. So how we can help? Minitab is here to help you to tackle the data literacy problem together. And Minitab can do this as we continue to invest. The world has focused, depending how you look at for the last past years. Launching a workspace in our PDA, Predictive Analytics card, in March of 2020. 2021, we brought together development of graphic builder, which provide immediate visual feedback on the variable our user is looking to analyze. And then 2022, we reinforce and release Education Hub, which help Minitab learners or students to understand better on our product. Also, we launched Minitab Model Ops, which help maintaining predictive analytics models. And this year, in 2023, we also reinforced the model that can be probably the most important model in predictive analytics, which is MAS. So we launched MAS in our predictive analytics model this year. And on top of that, we also released very popular modules. For example, reliability analytics module, research and development module, and so on. So I'm going to give you some idea when we are going to launch this new model. So let's go a little bit deep dive on our updates in 2023. Recently, Minitab has put a significant investment into predictive analytics and machine learning. Minitab is pride ourselves on providing algorithms, not a black box. So the algorithm, the model we have is open, and you can use it, and you can trust, have reliability on our result. To put into this more in context, Minitab predictive analytics module already has regression, which is external class regression tools, binary logistics, and Poisson. Simply used heavily, but can be difficult to tell a story with a formula. I will use this specific case later this afternoon. And we added CART, TreeNet, Random Forest in the past few years, which are highly accurate and fast on large complex issues, but easy to explain and tell a data story. Again, sometimes regression is more accurate, but the thing is, it's very hard to explain, very hard to report to your supervisor or management team. So sometimes even the R square, the fit model fit is less than regression. Sometimes we use random forest or TreeNet to explain the data. And the last but the least, the Mars Avenue refers to the new Mars model engine, extremely powerful and can be fine-tuned to very complex data source. We continue to invest in not only advanced methods like machine learning, but also we focus on making using Minitab easier. We recently launched our first research and develop module to help professionals to solve difficult problem faster. For those who in quality and reliability, you may not know how powerful Minitab can be in reliability. Our new module makes assessing our reliability tool easier and highlights important capabilities. As for our other updates in Minitab statistical software expected in the coming few months will include improvement in visualization. Visualization is an important part of Minitab, so we continue to invest in improvement. If you haven't tried our new graphic builder, we challenge you to use it. It's much better improved than before. When it comes to statistics, Minitab is the market leader. We continue to invest in additional methods like non-parametric capability analytics to address all of your use cases. As though leaders in statistics, we are also researching new and better ways to solve common problems. Our new one proportion test will provide multiple methods of solving this classical problem to ensure you have the best answer possible. Only Minitab will have this method. We are working on a white paper that we will come out along with this innovation to help you learn as well. I've saved some of our most exciting innovations for the end. Automated capability analysis will be the first smart capability analysis in the market. Combining automation from machine learning and our knowledge of capability analysis, Minitab will now help all process improvement professionals get the best analysis quick and easy. And finally, last but the least, we are continuing to build on our graphic builder, but adding a table builder. This will make building tables fast and easy and cut down preparation time so you can spend more time on problem solving. As you can see, we have lots of innovations coming soon and even more in the pipeline. Our commitment to you is to continue investing in our solutions so you can solve problems faster and easier. So apart from these developments on our flagship Minitab software, Minitab statistical software, we also have a broad set of solutions to help you solve problems. If you aren't familiar with them, you will hear a bit more about them today, and we encourage you to ask us about ways in which Minitab can help you unlock the power of the data. So, thank you very much. So I will use another example use cases later today in the afternoon to show you more about this solution, combining this solution to solve energy savings or ESG issues. Okay, thank you very much.